What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to tie on and fish a Sabiki rig. When fishing for live bait off of piers or in shallow water along the coastline, a Sabiki rig is one of the top methods for catching bait. It is basically a simple line with dropper loops with small hooks with a little bit of flash tied to each hook, designed to look like small miniature little bait fish, and they're great for catching mackerel and smelt. Almost any size or style of rod can be used with this. We use a 7 to 8 foot medium or medium light rod for this. We're going to be throwing 1 ounce of weight on the end, but you're not going to be really casting, and more so just dropping off the sides of the pier. To properly rig these guys, open this package up. You want to take your swivel end and tie your main line to it. Either braid or mono or fluoro will work for this. Just do your favorite knot. Pull that tight, don't forget to wet it. Clip the tag end, and then don't pull this out of the package yet. A lot of people make that mistake. Next, you want to take the other end, take your 1 ounce torpedo sinker, slip that on there, clip it, and now start pulling from either end. Start pulling the top or the bottom. And there you go. Set that on the ground. Save this guy for putting it away later if you want to save it for another use. Reel it up. Remember, this is a long rig. Don't reel this top part to the top guide. You'll damage your guide. You can either take these guys now and you can put chunks of mackerel or shrimp on them, or you can just throw it overboard as is. These do imitate little bait fish, so they don't really need much more other than just the look of the actual rig. Simply just open your bail, grab your weight, and flip it out. I like to let it go all the way to the bottom, close my bail, and take up the slack. Now to actually fish this rig properly, you're just moving it ever so slightly up and down, kind of making the little lures look like bait fish, kind of moving around the water column. It may take a few minutes to get a bite. If you don't get a bite right away, try moving around, or you might want to throw some cut bait, some mackerel, some chunks of other small fish, or shrimp on there. The bite is super subtle. When you feel the bite, just reel up. Don't even do any crazy hooks at. These are tiny hooks. And when you get one, the easiest way to get it off is to just close it in your hand. It calms the fish. And just pull that hook out of its mouth and throw it in your live bait well really quickly. Pop your live bait tank open, throw them in there, and you're good to go.